The following is a complete text on healthy sex based on guidelines from healthcare professionals. Script: Healthy sex according to doctors. Introduction: Sex is a natural part of adult life that can provide benefits for physical and emotional health, as long as it is practiced safely, responsibly, and with full consent from all parties involved. Doctors and healthcare professionals consistently emphasize that healthy sex is not just about avoiding risks, but also about creating positive and satisfying relationships. Part 1. Basic requirements for healthy sex according to doctors. There are several things that should be the basis for every sexual activity. 1.1 Clear and mutual consent. Consent must be given voluntarily, without coercion, pressure, or manipulation. Consent can be withdrawn at any time, even if it has been given previously. All parties must be able to understand the consequences of the action. 1.2 Appropriate age. In India, the law stipulates that a person may only engage in sexual intercourse after reaching the legal age of marriage, at least 19 years for both women and men. From a health perspective, the human body and mind are only mature enough to face sexual consequences until they reach adulthood. 1.3 Open communication. Talk with your partner about your desires, boundaries, concerns, and health history. Communication helps avoid misunderstandings and ensures both parties feel comfortable. Part 2. Health benefits of healthy sex. Doctors explain that healthy sex can provide benefits such as improved heart health and blood circulation, reduced stress and improved mood through the release of endorphins, improved sleep quality, strengthened emotional bonds with your partner, help maintain bone density and muscle mass. Part 3. How to maintain sexual safety and health. 3.1 Preventing sexually transmitted diseases, STDs. Use condoms consistently and correctly every time you have vaginal, anal, or oral sex. Get tested regularly for STDs, especially if you have more than one sexual partner. Get appropriate vaccinations, such as the HPV and hepatitis B vaccines. 3.2 Preventing unintended pregnancy. Choose a contraceptive method that suits your needs and health condition. After consulting with your doctor, contraceptive options include birth control pills, condoms, intrauterine devices, IUDs, birth control injections, and others. 3.3 Physical health and hygiene. Maintain proper genital hygiene. Wash with clean water and mild soap. Avoid cleansers containing harsh chemicals. Avoid sex when you have a genital infection or wound, until it has completely healed. Eat a healthy diet, exercise regularly, and get enough rest to maintain good physical condition. 3.4 Emotional and psychological health. Sex should be done in a comfortable and stress-free environment. If you experience any problems or concerns related to sexuality, such as sexual dysfunction, fear, or past trauma, seek help from a qualified doctor or counselor immediately. Respect your own and your partner's boundaries. Part 4. Things to avoid according to doctors. The following can harm sexual health. Having sex without consent, rape and sexual assault are crimes and are extremely harmful to the victim. Using illicit substances, such as drugs or excessive amounts of alcohol, before or during sex, as this can impair the ability to make good decisions and increase the risk of injury or unsafe sexual behavior. Having sex with a partner whose sexual health history is unknown without using protection. Engaging in dangerous or anatomically inappropriate sexual practices that can cause physical injury. Part 5. When to consult a doctor. See a doctor or midwife immediately if you experience STD symptoms such as abnormal discharge, genital itching or pain, sores or lumps, fever, or pain during urination or sex, problems related to fertility or contraception, sexual dysfunction or changes, questions or concerns about sexual and reproductive health. Need information about appropriate, age-appropriate sex education. Conclusion: Healthy sex is an important part of a responsible adult life. By understanding the basic principles, maintaining safety, and always consulting a health professional when necessary, we can enjoy positive, satisfying sexual relationships that are safe and healthy. Remember that everyone has different needs and circumstances, so it's important to find what works best for you and your partner in a safe and responsible manner. Important note: the information in this text is general in nature and cannot replace personal medical advice from a doctor or qualified health professional. Each case is unique, so always consult a health professional for guidance tailored to your specific situation. For more information, you can contact the nearest health facility or call the official reproductive health hotline in Indonesia. Would you like more specific information about any section of this text, such as how to choose the right contraception or the signs of STDs to watch out for?